Well, Jimmy, here it is. This is the package that has the DL35-RA smoke muffler. It came today along with some of my aircraft stands. So let's take a look inside and see what we got here. Jimmy, let's see what's in this. What's in this bag? This came from a company called Mile High RC out of Colorado. There we go. And this is the smoke muffler. So, as you can see, the smoke muffler has an extra coil. And it also has an extra gadget right here. This is a smoke tube actually, but the smoke muffler comes with this mechanism which will be taking in the smoke, and you can probably look close, you can see the little shaft down and going down in the muffler. So this is going to be fine once I get rolling and get everything hooked up. I got my smoke muffler right now, like I said, it's from a company called Mile High RC. So there you go, boss. Later. Jim Bodie, I got another surprise today. I got 3 of them. I wonder what's inside. All right, Jimmy, this is what we got. Model stands by FMS. There you go, son. That's one of the 3. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy and just see what we got. You gotta excuse my cluttered kitchen table. This is where I spend most of my time anyway. Let's open this bad boy up here. This Hyper Tough right here, this thing is good. Got it at Walmart, does a good job. Cuts like butter. Now, you know I already have 2 aircraft stands that are basically electric piano or electric organ stands. But those don't have what this has, which is why I bought 3. The other one was fine, but this will give me more security in regards to the grips. There we go. There you go, son. See the difference? With these, we've got the cradle. So I can cradle the aircraft and don't have to worry about it rolling off. And also, this comes in a nice anodized frame. Twist, turn, nice high quality. It's got the feet and everything. And this is by FMS. So I've got 3 of these. These are the these by the way cost $69 a piece on the last cycle. But on this cycle, they were 59 bucks. So I got 3 of them. And like I said, the main thing with these is that you have the cradle to sit the aircraft on, so you don't have to worry about it rolling off. So there you go, Jim. I'm about ready to pull the trigger on 2 more airplanes. I tell you, it's crazy, but after going to the RC club today, I need to have a couple of small airplanes so I can handle those when my back's hurting. So we'll see what's up. And take it from there. But yeah, that's what we got, spare plate stands. I'll assemble it sooner or later, but that's about it, sonny boy. Later. They have the interlocking teeth like this, Jim. Locks in place, just screw it on tight. And of course the FMS logo. Pretty sweet. It's what the cradle looks like. So it's so far so good.